You love to play, right? And I bet you love to help too. Would you like to join me and plant your own tree?
Oh, hi! My name is Claire. Shall we go and plant some trees together?
Here is ShiokFarm's Plant a Tree Kit. It has some organic soil, some perlite, some pots, and some fruit. Here we have a lemon, a lime, a papaya, a mango, and an avocado. Depending on the season, you might have other fruits. Step 1. Always wash your hands before touching soil. Step 2. Preparation. Mix the soil and perlite in a bucket. You might want to wear a mask to do this. Then you put the soil in your pots. Make a hole with your finger about ½ centimeter deep. 3. Prepare the fruit. You want to remove the flesh and separate the seeds. You do not want to wash the seeds. Leave some flesh on them. Step 4. Put the seeds in the holes. Do not mix the different seeds in one pot. Step 5. Cover with soil. Water the soil. Place the pots in a well-lit but no direct sunlight area. Then go and wash your hands.
Can I really plant a tree?